Hey guys, and welcome back. So I will talk about Stylar AI, a powerful image generation tool that offers unparalleled control over image composition and style. So Stylar AI offers a wide range of features that give users unparalleled control over image composition and style. Here are some key features you can expect from Stylar AI. 1. Predefined styles. As Stylar AI provides a collection of predefined styles that allow you to customize your designs without the need for complex style prompts. This makes it easy for users of all skill levels to create beautiful and professional-looking images. 2. Layering, positioning, and sketching tools. Stylar AI offers intuitive and accurate control over image content through layering, positioning, and sketching tools. These features make it easy to create complex compositions and achieve the exact image layout you desire. 3. Enhanced tools. Stylar AI includes enhanced tools specifically designed to address common challenges with AI-generated faces and hands. With just one click, you can improve image clarity and fix any artifacts. So now, let's talk about the sign-up process for Stylar AI. It's quick and easy to get started. Here's how you can sign up. 1. Visit the Stylar AI website. 2. Click on the Sign Up button. You can use your Google account to sign up, which is the easiest way to get started. 3. A pop-up window will appear with 3 questions to describe yourself and your intended use of Stylar AI. Answer these questions, and you will be redirected to the home screen of the designing tool. 4. As a new user, you will receive 200 free credits weekly during the beta testing period. These credits can be used to generate image outputs, allowing you to explore the capabilities of Stylar AI. So let's see how to use Stylar AI for generating images. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Click on New Project to start a new image creation. 2. In the pop-up window, name your project, specify the canvas dimensions, select the aspect ratio, and click on Apply. 3. You can import an image and start working on it. Use the selection tool to choose the part of the picture you want to edit. Stylar AI allows you to create layers, making it easy to see and differentiate the changes you make. 4. Alternatively, you can generate a new image using prompts. Just like ChatGPT, you can use text prompts to generate a new image. Stylar AI's natural language processing model understands user prompts, giving you a high level of control over the output generation. 5. You can also edit an existing image by using prompts to make edits. Stylar AI offers numerous styles to choose from, allowing you to convert an existing image into an illustration or an art piece. Then return to the feature. 4. User-friendly interface. Stylar AI has a user-friendly interface that caters to all skill levels. Whether you're a professional designer or a beginner, Stylar AI makes it easy to create stunning and stylish images. 5. Unparalleled control. Stylar AI offers users unparalleled control over the composition of AI-generated images. You can customize and control the image composition and style with great accuracy. So, using Stylar AI comes with several benefits that can enhance your creative process and save you time. Here are some of the benefits you can enjoy. 1. Control and customization. As Stylar AI gives you unparalleled control over image composition and style, you can customize your designs without the need for complex style prompts, making it easy to create stunning and unique images. 2. Intuitive design process. With layering, positioning, and sketching tools, Stylar AI offers an intuitive design process. Whether you're a professional designer or a beginner, you can easily create complex compositions and achieve the exact image layout you desire. 3. Time and effort savings. As Stylar AI's predefined styles and user-friendly interface save you time and effort in the design process, you can create professional-looking images without the need for extensive manual editing. 4. High-quality outputs. As Stylar AI supports high-resolution exports, ensuring your designs have crisp image quality. This makes them suitable for various mediums, including print and digital platforms, and supports exporting works in high-definition PNG or JPG formats at resolutions up to 6144px x 6144px. This ensures your designs can be used across various mediums. 5. Free access and feedback. As during the beta testing period, Stylar AI offers free access to the tool and encourages users to provide feedback. This allows you to try out the tool and contribute to its development. So I hope you found this overview of Stylar AI helpful. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below for any ideas, and thanks for watching.